Hey guys, this is Ram Ramos of Pinoy Hardtail International. Hey guys, welcome back. So ngayon gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga protective gears na ginagamit ko during my ride at may unboxing tayo yung starter kit ng drone na in-order ko 3 months ago. Hey guys, so ito yung helmet na gamit ko is an Oakley Dirt 5 in army green color. So sa website nila may mga color pa, then just check it out. So napakaganya, napakatibay, and ang gusto ko dito is meron siyang mga features regarding like sweat management. So underneath meron siyang silicone guard which is also removable and washable. Naka velcro lang siya, so madali siyang tanggalin. Then yung kanyang textile lace, ito yung parang kakapit pag pinasisikipan mo. It's like parang sinulid lang siya. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. So kakapit yan sa both sides of your head when you pag pinasisikipan mo yung helmet mo. So pag sinusot mo yung eyewear mo or yung goggles mo, hindi siya sa gabal. Okay? Tapos isa pang magandang picture nito is yung eyewear storage niya. Kung mapapansin nyo sa likod, meron siyang mga clip. So dyan, open it up, then pwede mo ilagay yung eyewear mo. So put it down, lock it, see, as you can see. So ayan, hindi siya malalaglag. Okay, so yan ang kagandahan yung dinesign nila itong product na to. Okay, so yeah, hope you like it. This is an Oakley Dirt 5 in army green. Okay, so now punta naman tayo sa isang protective gear na i-discuss natin. Hey guys, now ito naman yung aking protective knee and elbow sleeve. So I have a Troy design. So hindi naman tayo hardcore rider, so I just get the padded one. So napaka-comfortable niya. I think yung tahi okay naman. So I'm using this one. So this is the knee sleeve. Okay. So doon sa website nila makita niyo mga sizes nila. And this one is my elbow sleeve. So 4 of them are just padded. Okay. So actually before dahil alam ko easy riding lang naman ako, so hindi ko na kailangan nito. But one time napadaan ako sa mabato-bato, U-turn, then nag-slide, then yun, nakakuha ng gas-gas, tuhod and sleeve, then I decided to buy. So tigas talaga ulo natin mga Pilipino. Okay, so this was it. Okay, so punta naman tayo dun sa unboxing natin. Okay guys, ito na yung ating grand finale, yung unboxing natin ng ating Skydio2 starter kit. Kung napanood nyo last time, in-upload ko yung unboxing ng drone ng tropa ko, which is the Skydio2 cinema kit. Okay, so yung cinema kit na yon it's $2,199, so what, 2,200. Then this one, yung starter kit nila, ito yung pinakamura nila, pinakamababang presyo, is $1,349. So, but during that time, yung original price nito is $899 3 months ago. So I was able to reserve, nag-reserve ako that time. Then yung increase sila ng presyo, then nakapag-reserve pa ako, so ang binayaran ko lang is $899. So almost $400 or around less than 18,000 pesos yung natipid ko. So it's a good buy, ano lang investment din. So ngayon bubuksan na natin siya. Okay. So what we have here is the letter from the pounder. So basahin natin mamaya. Okay, so as you can see, Ito na rin yung pinaka-carrying case niya. Kaya yan, may slip. Okay. So it was sealed. Okay, we're gonna break the seal. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna open it. So like I said, ito yung starter kit. Okay. So what we have inside is the charging cable. So like I told you guys, ito yung starter kit. Okay. One battery. Yeah, magnetic battery. Yan. Actually, that battery will only last 23 minutes. So after that, wala kang extra. Then tapos ang kaligayahan. Then the wall charger. This one. So 2 extra propellers. Okay. And 2 extra LC. At yung pinaka drone natin. Okay. So that's our starter kit. Okay. So marami siyang, you can apply this one through your mobile phone. So starter kit. So i-download mo yung app, then you can apply this drone through your mobile phone. Okay. Unlike dun sa diniscuss natin last time, yung cinema kit ng tropa ko, meron siyang beacon, meron siyang handheld remote. So those are the options that you can apply that kit. Okay, so you can see. So that's it. So okay, let's put it back. So naisip ko naman, sabi ko, nako, bitin tayo dito. So I decided to pick na kumuha na rin ako ng extra battery. At yung iba pang mga things na pwede kong magamit para mas ma-enjoy ko yung paggamit. Okay? So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga extra bukod dito. Okay, so ito yung isang extra na in-order ko. I think it's battery. Tingnan natin. Okay, yeah, I'm right. So, umorder ako ng extra battery. So, pwede na yan. So, itong battery nito is almost $115 for extra battery. Okay? So, bali may dalawang baterya na tayo. Then, I also have this one. Ito, sa kaibigan ko, nag-swap na lang kami ng emergency light ko kasi dalawa daw yung ganito niya. Nag-double yata yung order niya. So, hindi niya na ni-return. So, nag-swap na lang kami. Okay, let's see. So, this one, yeah, is the dual charger. Okay? So, dahil dalawa na yung battery natin, so magnetic, so ikabit mo rin yung isang battery sa kabila, then you can charge them at the same time. So I think napaka-convenient. So napaka-usable nito, yung dual charger niya. So at least if you're gonna charge them at the same time, bam, put them together, plug it on the wall, then you're good. So actually this one is out of stock ngayon, pre-order. Talagang maghihintay ka. So, like I said, may extra yung tropa ko. So, nag-swap na lang kami. Okay? And this one. Let's see what we have this one. Okay, so this one is a shutter collection lens. So, para sa araw, sa brightness, think actually optional na lang ito pero kasi maaraw naman dito sa amin sa California, I think. Let's try. So you have 3 lenses there, so depende sa brightness ng araw. So you have the ND8, ND16, ND32. Okay, so babasahin ko na lang later on. So that's the lens. Okay, now I think ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Okay. Kasi yung starter kit, you can just apply him using your iPhone or smartphone. Okay. So I decided to get this one. Ito yung beacon. Okay. So this one, I can mount it on my handlebar sa bike. I-mount ko na lang siya doon. Then this will control the drone. So at least I just need to press these buttons here para i-adjust ko yung height niya, yung angle niya, kung saan siya nakaposisyon. So mas conveniente kaysa naman bubunutin mo pa yung phone mo para lang ilipat yung drone kung saan siya nakaposisyon. So I think this one is a very useful in the tawag ng beacon. So this one is also pre-order. So actually tagal din ako naghintay bago dumating. So thank you pag dumating naman. So at least I can set it up sa bike ko, sa handlebar ko. Then I can do the upgrade now sa drone natin. So maybe this week kalipad tayo. Hey guys, thank you for watching. So I'll see you around.